What is up, my friends? Welcome back to another Clean with Confidence, Clean with me. Thanks so much for being here. Today we're going to be doing part of a master bathroom as well as part of a master bedroom. Going to be making the bed, going to be doing the floors, going to be doing a little dusting, and we're just going to have a big time. So without any further ado, let's get it on. And also, I should mention, all tools and products used in this video will be listed and linked down below in the video description box. Clean the bottom of the toilet as well. You always want to clean the top of the toilet, make sure you get the bowl, the toilet seat, the lid, but always never forget to do the base of the toilet as well. There's been a lot of times where I've actually had people clean my own personal home, come home, and the hallmark of a good cleaner is, did they clean the base of the toilet? Look down there, am I going to see pee? Am I going to see hair or pet hair? Or is it going to be clean? The hallmark of a good cleaner is a clean base. One of the hallmarks, I should say. As usual, using just a mild dish soap to clean our granite countertops. Don't want to get anything too abrasive. No kind of acid, nothing too abrasive. That mild dish soap really does the trick to remove whatever you find on those bathroom countertops. Now we're going to use some spray away glass cleaner here for the mirror. As you can see, this stuff is absolutely awesome. Found this a few years back, and I got to be really honest with you. That glass cleaner in the can or whatever, it's so good that it feels like you're cheating when you're cleaning the glass or the mirrors. It feels like you're cheating. Cleaning glass should not be that easy. But that stuff is the bomb diggity, and it really, really works. I don't know if you guys ever saw the TV show Friends, but there's an episode where Joey comes home with snow, and he's like, snow in a can. And for me, I'm like, cleaner in a can. I imagine my excitement level is similar to his when he found out that you can spray snow in a can. we're just going through here and wiping off each bottle of the cologne individually. There's always a lot of toothpaste splatter on the bottles, as well as some hair from, shaving. So we're just wiping down each cologne individually, one by one, getting everything off, and getting it real clean and pretty for the client. And organized, I should say.
Love should be easy, why should it not? When all you want is to be loved, is to be loved.
I always like to tuck that excess pillowcase into the pillows to make it look nice and neat. A lot of the times that happens where the client gives king-size pillowcases on regular-size pillows, and I always like to tuck that excess in. And I just think it makes it look a lot nicer, a lot neater.
Why you wanna let me down? Can't understand. Was it all worth it? You play me good just for a rush, just for a rush. So now I wrote a song about us, but tears are running down my face. Now I wrote a song about us, just trying to fill that empty space you left behind. You left behind, you left behind, you left behind. You left behind, you left behind. So now I wrote a song about us, with tears are running down my face. Now I wrote a song about us, just try to fill that empty space you left behind. You left behind, you left behind. Oh, you left behind. You left behind, you left behind.
And lastly, you want to finish up with your floors. I'm going to vacuum our rugs here, and then we're going to vacuum our concrete, and then mop, and at that point, call it a day. Always want to clean up underneath your bed. There's always a lot of dust, a lot of trash. So you just want to make sure you get any kind of marbles, food, dust, anything you find up underneath that bed. Socks, dirty underwear, whatever. Get it out up underneath that bed. It doesn't belong there. Same thing with a mop. We're going to mop our floors, but we're also going to mop up underneath the bed and up underneath the furniture. Also, while you're at it, if you see dust, you see any marks on the baseboard, as you can see, I use that mop and I just hit it real quick to remove it from the baseboards. So that is it, my friends. We've come to the end of this clean with me. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, give it a big clean with confidence thumbs up if you could. If you do that for us, that'd be great. Really helps us out. And also, if you want to take our relationship to the next level, then drop me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great content. Also, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. Those are 3 options for you. We are on all 3 platforms. And until then, I will see y'all in the next video.